Welcome to Pont du Gard, one of the most remarkable ancient landmarks in France. In this video, we'll explore the history of this Roman masterpiece, discover the beautiful surroundings, and take a closer look at what you can see and do when visiting this incredible site. The aqueduct was built during the 1st century AD, around the year 50, to supply fresh water to the Roman city of Nîmes, located in southern France not far from the Mediterranean coast. The water came from a natural spring near the town of Uzès, at a place called Eure, which was known for its clear and reliable water source. From there, the Romans constructed an aqueduct nearly 50 kilometers long, using gravity alone to guide the water across the landscape. Pont du Gard was built to carry the channel over the Gardon River, forming the most spectacular and best preserved part of the entire system. Walking along the side of Pont du Gard, you can really appreciate the precision of Roman engineering. The massive stone blocks were cut by hand and fitted together without mortar, forming the elegant arches that support the structure. Every level shows careful craftsmanship, proving how advanced Roman builders were nearly 2,000 years ago. Each arch was carefully designed to spread the weight of the stone, allowing the bridge to stand strong for nearly 2,000 years. Over the centuries, visitors have left their marks in the stone, small carvings that silently tell the story of all who have passed through this place. Pont du Gard is unique not only for its size, but for the way it was built to last. The structure survived centuries of floods, weather, and human use, even serving as a road bridge in later times. Careful restoration over the years has helped preserve this Roman masterpiece, allowing us to see it today almost as it stood 2,000 years ago. Along the river below Pont du Gard, you'll find small beaches where visitors can relax, swim, or simply enjoy the view of the ancient bridge from the water. During the warmer months, this area becomes a popular spot for picnics and outdoor activities. You can also rent a kayak or canoe and paddle along the Gardon River, which gives a completely different perspective of the monument. Seeing the bridge from the water makes it easy to understand why this place has attracted people for centuries. Not far from Pont du Gard, you'll find fascinating natural caves that have been part of the region for thousands of years. Some of these caves were used by humans in prehistoric times, leaving traces of early life and ancient rituals. Today, they offer a glimpse into the area's deep history and add another layer of wonder to a visit, showing that this landscape has been important to people long before the Romans arrived. Near Pont du Gard, there's a charming restaurant where visitors can enjoy a relaxing meal or a refreshing drink. Whether it's a cold beer, a light lunch, or a full dinner, the terrace offers stunning views of the aqueduct and the surrounding river. Near the restaurant, you'll find a set of stairs that lead down to the base of Pont du Gard, allowing you to approach the aqueduct from ground level. Walking down, you can stand directly beneath the arches and truly appreciate the size and precision of the stonework. From this perspective, it's easy to see the careful placement of each massive block, the hand-cut joints, and the ingenuity of the Romans who built it nearly 2,000 years ago. Being this close makes the engineering and craftsmanship feel almost tangible. Visiting Pont du Gard at sunset is a truly unique experience. The warm golden light highlights the Roman arches, casting long shadows and bringing the stonework to life. Standing here, it's easy to imagine how people 2,000 years ago admired this incredible structure at the same hour, feeling the same beauty and awe. Now, let us enjoy our aerial footage and take in the aqueduct from above, basking in the glow of this wonderful sunset. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.